Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So I do have the ring. That's why you guys couldn't see me at first. I actually got this in the state fair like 3 years ago or 2 years ago. If I put it on, I disappeared. And then I take it off, put it on, take it off, put it on. Just kidding, it's obviously fake. I have to say that it's fake because there's some people that believe everything they see. So anyways, today I'm going to be doing the Lord of the Rings project pan update. And if you guys don't know, my friend Nat, Little Miss Nat, she is the one that created this project pan. And it's super awesome because I love Lord of the Rings. So I'm super happy that she came up with this idea. And well, I'm the co-creator because she invited me to be the co-creator. So yeah, anyways, definitely go check out my friend Nat. I will have her YouTube channel linked in the description box as always, so you guys could go check her out. And she does a lot of project pans as well, so you guys could go check all of those out if you're interested. She does unboxings, makeup, she does a lot of collabs as well, so make sure to go check her out. But anyways, for this project pan we do have a wizard product, which is a full-size product, and we have 4 sample size products that represent the Hobbits. So here I have mine. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a product that I finished because I'm super excited about that. So I did have a sample perfume in my project pan, and this one is the Vera Wing Embrace perfume, and this is what it looks like, and this is how it looked like when I started, and then the first update, and well, now it's done. I mean, it still has a little bit right there, but for some reason I can't get it out. I already put it in different ways and it just doesn't come out anymore, so I'm just going to call it done. I actually didn't think of this, but let's see. Oh, you could open it. So I'm just going to use up what's left right now because I don't have any perfume. But anyways, I just finished it right now. You guys just saw. This Vera Wing Embrace perfume, I used it 6 times this past month. Well, 7 with today. And in total, I did use it 14 times. So I feel like that's pretty good and I'm happy with it. This actually smelled really, really good. It smelled really soft, like kind of like baby powder or something like that. I'm not sure. I suck at explaining scents. But I did like it. It didn't cause me any migraines. So maybe in the future, I will purchase a full size. Okay, and since I did finish that perfume, I am going to be rolling in another sample size perfume, and this one is the Valentino perfume. This is what it looks like. It's just a little sample, as you can see. Feminine bouquet of white flowers that gives Italian tradition a contemporary edge. I'm not gonna spritz anything out right now because I already applied perfume. This is what the little bottle looks like. It is down here, it's not completely full. So I will mark it right there and we'll see how long this takes me to finish. So yeah. Okay, now the next Hobbit product. It is a Tarte lip paint and it's this one right here. It's a little sample size and this one is in the shade Birthday Suit and it's a very pretty color. You can't really see any progress on this, like nothing is going down, you can't see no movement, so that's pretty disappointing. Not even with a wand out. But anyways, I really like using this one. And this one, well, I only used it 5 times this past month. So maybe that's why there's no progress. Anyways, that's pretty disappointing. But at least I used it 5 times. Okay, now on to the next sample size product. And the next one, it is the Ulta lip gloss and the shade Canyon. This is what it looks like. This was brand new when I brought it into this project pan. And as you can see, there's already movement. So I'm super excited about that. And I'm actually wearing this on my lips right now. And see, you could definitely see the movement right there. I'm not sure if I should mark it right here. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think I should mark it right there. Because when I look in there, you could actually see through it. Hopefully you guys can see. I might mark it right there, but I'm not sure yet. But anyways, I really like this lip gloss. It's not sticky at all. And this lip gloss, I've used it 6 times this past month. But I'm pretty sure I used it more because I did take it to Colorado. But I didn't take my little notebook to mark it down. But anyways, I'm really happy that you could actually see progress now. So yeah. Okay, now the next Hobbit size product. It is this Sunshine lip gloss. And this one is the one that represents Samwise. And it's this one right here. This one is a light bulb. And I really like this lip gloss. It's clear, but it does have glitter and I just love how this looks. And as you can see, there's a little bit of progress. I'm not sure if it's going to show on camera. I did accidentally dip it in there after I applied it over lip liner, so it did get stained and the gloss is changing to pink now, but that's okay. But anyways, there's a little bit of progress, but I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, and it looks like it's down here, but if you look down here, there's like a big ol' gap. Yeah, I think it's kind of hard to show on camera. But anyways, I'm really happy with the progress on this. And this lip gloss, I have used it 12 times this past month. I really like it. Okay, so those were the Hobbit size products. Now I'm going to show you the full size product, which represents the wizard, which is Gandalf. And it's this one right here. This is the Maybelline 657 Nude lipstick, and this wasn't brand new when I started this project pan, and this is what it looks like. It's almost done. I'm not sure if I have a picture of last month, but if I do, I'll put it on the side so you guys could see. But I don't think there's any progress because I've only used it 4 times this past month, so I'm not even sure if I'll be able to finish this lipstick this year unless I use it every single day, but I really doubt it because I do have other lip products in my project pans, and I also like using different lipsticks every day. But I really like this lipstick. It feels really buttery on my lips. So anyways, that's all of the products that I have in my Lord of the Rings project pan. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and also let me know if you guys are doing this project pan. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys!